Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by placing the Wi-Fi box where it gets airflow and is close to your modem. You need easy cable runs. Now plug the power adapter into the box and an outlet, and then connect the box to your modem with the Ethernet cable. Once powered, watch the LEDs for boot progress. This tells you the device is initializing. Make sure the modem is online first, otherwise the box will boot but not provide internet. With the box powered and linked to your modem, connect a device to its default network and open the setup URL or manufacturer app. You will be prompted to sign in with the printed username and password. Change that admin password immediately for security. Next, create a clear SSID and a strong Wi-Fi passphrase using WPA2 or WPA3. This secures your traffic. Once configured, the box will apply settings and may reboot. Wait until the status LED shows a stable connection. Now reconnect your devices to the new SSID and run a quick speed test to confirm service. If coverage is weak in certain rooms, move the box to a more central location or adjust antennas and channel settings to reduce interference. If you don't get internet, power cycle the modem and the Wi-Fi box in sequence, modem first, then box, and verify the Ethernet cable is firmly seated. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reconfigure. This clears misconfigurations, but requires repeating setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.